Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you two different ways to invert your data. In other words, make the first entry last and last first. So the first method is we see our class list is in rows 6 through 14 and we want it flipped. So just type 14, 13, and then the bottom right corner autofill down. And then because all of our data is in column D, we're going to use the indirect, and then we're going to type quote D quote, and then we're going to reference that list, that total of 14, 13, 12. We're going to reference F6, and you see it gives us Zach, and then autofill down, and then it gives us our inverted list. And if we want to just hard code that data, hit Control C, and then do the paste value option that you just saw me do. So that's the first method, and that will always work regardless of what type of data you have. You just have to know what rows the data is in. And here's a second method, kind of a shortcut. If you have one column that's already like numerical data in ascending or descending order, all you do is go to the Data tab, turn on Filters. On the numerical data, do largest to smallest, Control C, and then right-click, Paste Value. Then turn off your filters on your original to get back your original table, and now you have your original table and your inverted table, just how you like it.